Hey people, how are you doing? So today we'll be unboxing this Stanley foldable hand truck. This is hand truck which is foldable, which weighs around 7.4 kg and it can carry around 137 kg in this hand truck. And I have also purchased a foldable crate which is really helpful when you wanted to go for a grocery shopping for a week. Why I'm saying is, like, nowadays it has become very normal that you'll have to purchase this groceries and stock it for the week, because like it is not luxurious. Nowadays it has become normal. So I that is why I have went ahead and purchased this. If, from the shopping car, I mean from the supermarket, it is not going to be a problem. From this car parking to our kitchen is going to be really tedious. So we needed a cart. We cannot have a really a supermarket car, but we need to have something like foldable, which would go underneath our sofa, or we'll have to store it somewhere when it is not in use. So that is when I decided to go with the Stanley hand truck. This is really an efficient, and it looks strong, solid, and whatnot. It is really looking awesome. This actually cost me around 7,400 for normal, when you wanted to purchase it in a normal days, but I have purchased it on Amazon sale. And one more thing is, this is not going to catch the eyes of anyone when you are really handling it. Like, if you are going inside a supermarket with this cart, actually no one notice this. So I'll also go for a supermarket or a grocery shopping with this cart. So then you will be able to understand how this works. Okay, though it looks very attractive and built like a tank, the tires and everything is looking awesome, really awesome. Though it is very attractive and yellow in color, nobody really noticed this hand truck inside the supermarket, because they'll be really busy with their shopping. But you will see. Actually, I'll take this cart to the supermarket nearby my place, and I'll try to show it today. Okay. I am actually posting this video because when I have searched for this hand truck, Stanley hand truck 585 on YouTube or anywhere in the world, I was not able to find a single video which shows like how the mechanism is, how does it work, how useful it is, how strong it is. I didn't know anything except except in papers whatever they said, this is a hand truck, this is doing this is doing that. That is what I was able to see something in written, but practically I was not able to understand how this works. That is why I am posting. This is a 20 minutes and 52 seconds video. It is such a long video. Trust me, actually I will not I will not disappoint you. I will try to show whatever I can with this hand truck, so then you will understand like how this truck works and how strong it is and what weight it can handle and all these things. Because we are sometimes because at times people also want to buy the hand truck with the crate. Okay, that is that the crate is very lightweight. You will see that, you will get to see that a crate is a lightweight, and it is really not worth for 1800 rupees. But however however, it is actually holding the weight. The crate is holding the weight, but this hand truck itself is really strong built. And even if you throw it, or if you stand on this hand truck, I'm sure nothing is going to happen to this hand truck. Hand truck itself is made in a very superb way, and nothing is wrong in it. And there are two ways that you can use this hand truck as you see in this picture or in this video. Now you can use it this way, or else in a slanting way. I will try to show you all the possible ways how you can use the hand truck. Okay, so I am actually struggling a lot, because this is the first time I'm trying to use this hand truck. So I'm not really familiar. I didn't know how to use this hand truck. So that is why I don't know which button to press and which how to unfold this. That is why I'm struggling. Maybe after few uses I'll be able to handle it very easily. So for right now, if you see, I'm pressing the top thing, which is not required. Actually, you just have to unfold it. It'll unfold. It'll get unfolded. Nothing wrong in it. Once you wanted to, this is how actually you unfold it and use it as a trolley. Trust me, guys, it is really simple. It is really simple, and it is built like a tank. It is solid, and it can be used very easily, and it can be thrown inside a small car boot. Okay. Like Hyundai Santro or Maruti 800 or Maruti Alto, everything, it can go very easily behind that because it is a foldable hand truck. Okay. Actually, I have posted all the possible ways how to unfold it and fold it, so that it will be easy for you to understand how to use it. You can also carry it like this. Okay. You can also carry, there is a handle on that, on the side, each side, so you can handle it, you can carry it like this. It will be easy, and you can carry all these three, like three crate and this hand truck. All these things can be carried with these handles, that yellow space. Okay. I don't think it is a waste of money, or this is now becomes an essential product if you live in an apartment, because you might have to carry groceries in the lift, and sometimes you can say that I can carry it on the lift, and I'll just place it, and again when my floor comes I'll be able to pick it up and or drag it to my apartment. That's what they say. But this can be useful. This can also be very useful when you wanted to go on outstation, like if you wanted to carry a lot of luggages on the train, so then you can use this to carry your luggages. So recently I tried to carry my iMac 27-inch desktop computer, and this hand truck was so helpful in the railway station. So then I just loaded all the suitcases and other things on my desktop computer on this hand truck, and then immediately I was able to drag it to the car, and from the car to the train, and from the train again I dragged it outside the car, outside to the taxi, and I was able to handle the luggages. Hi guys, today I'm going to go for shopping. It is like weekly groceries that we are going to purchase. I'm not going to take any bag or anything, so this is what I'm going to take. Okay, you see this? Okay, I have got three baskets, foldable baskets. Okay, and then the Stanley cart. The basket is foldable basket, so this can be expandable. This can be expanded like this. Okay, just open it like this. Close it. Put a close up on. So this side, there is a folding mechanism. What happens is we have to do like this. That's it. And there are 4 holes. And at the bottom you see there are four pointers. So then it will get locked here. Okay. But however, it will get locked. But however, please note, there is no locking mechanism or hole here, okay, in the trolley itself. So however, this is how it is. We are going to take this for shopping. Okay, you see this hole? You see this hole? Okay. We will go for shopping at Star Hyper. This is in Hyderabad. This is a very big supermarket where you can purchase everything at once for a week. So we are trying to purchase a lot of weekly groceries and stock it for the week. Okay, so we are going to use this trolley now. Let's see how useful it is. Okay. So please note that there is one problem here. This wheel is rotatable, okay, but this wheel is not rotatable. Since this is actually, I'll tell you what, the reason is actually, if you look at it, there is a locking mechanism here. you do this, the wheel will fold. This wheel will fold, and then you can use it like this. So then you can use it like this. Okay, so that is the reason this is a foldable or rotatable wheel. That is not a rotatable wheel. Okay, close up. So now I'm going to use it like this, like a trolley, hand truck. So now it is locked. Okay. Wait, what? All these things can be easily loaded in a car. You see how I'm going to load this in a car. Okay, I have an Ertiga car. You see, I already have a very big mess inside my car. These are the carry bags I usually use for groceries, but it's really cumbersome, which is really a bad idea. So first thing is, I'll take these three crate. These are the three crates. I'll put it inside. Okay, and now I'll fold this. Give her. First I'll fold this, and then I'll fold this. Oh, sorry, I have to fold this, and then I'll fold this, and then I can carry it like this. Okay, okay, I will load it like this. All these things are loaded in the car right now. Okay, let's go for shopping. Not sure if they will allow my trolley inside this supermarket, because they have a very big trolley, and you know that some supermarket would not allow us to carry our own bag inside the supermarket. They will, I don't know whether they will allow me or not, but I'll try to take this trolley inside. Okay, so then you will be able to know how this how I'm using it. Okay, that is what I'm trying to do. Let us see. So this is the supermarket. We have reached it. So this is a very big supermarket. This is in Hyderabad. This is a very, very big supermarket. Okay, this is a Star Hyper.
Similar to Costco.
This is a Star Hyper. You see it? This is one of the biggest supermarket here in Hyderabad. This is like an Walmart or Costco or something like that. It is not exactly, but something similar to that. Because there are few things which you will not get it in wholesale price. Majority of other things you will be able to get it in wholesale price. Okay, so let's see if we can go ahead and vlog inside. Open this. Okay, now the trolley is ready. Taking the three crates. Okay, it's all locked. So luckily we have got our trolley inside. Let me try to open a crate so that we will be able to use crate one by one. Okay, you can adjust according to your need this one. Okay, mostly I think today we will not be able to fill up all these three baskets, because today we have decided to purchase only few groceries, that is like vegetables and other things, and nothing like very important. So we will be filling maximum maybe 1 or 2 baskets. That's what we think. So what I'm planning is, once this basket is full, I'll be putting this down and replacing it with the other 2 baskets. Hopefully if this is gonna survive, then it will be nice. So here's the fun part begins. Here's the fun part. Now we'll have to load everything out there, okay, in the billing counter. Let's see how we are doing it. So now, if you see, now it is a slope. Okay, this is a slope. So the cart is able to stand still. Okay, at the slope because of this thing, small cut. Okay, but however, we want to see if the cart is going to slip. Okay, I'll go fast. So find out if the cart is going to slip. Success. If you see the road, it is completely uneven. Okay, so if the cart will fall. Okay. So, now if you see, I have loaded the trolley, cart, everything is all loaded. Okay, we'll leave. So now actually we have reached home. Hopefully, let's see, let me show you how I unload it from the car. Okay, usually we carry lot of bags. Okay, loaded. This is it. Okay. Actually, it was so simple. Today's task was so simple because of this cart, I was able to bring all these bags and other things. Without any bag, we actually were able to bring this cart very easily. So I think it's worth it. It's success. The cart is so useful, and we were able to bring everything without any carry bag or anything, and it was zero effort. The effort was completely zero, and it was so easy. So I would recommend everyone, in case if you are thinking to buy this cart, I would suggest you to go ahead with this. Okay, now the only task is like, if you have this, I don't know how we're gonna take it inside. Okay, from here we will not be able to carry the cart. It's done. Now we have taken the cart to our kitchen. Okay, it is supermarket to kitchen, directly from supermarket to kitchen. The cart has reached our kitchen. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye.